What? The Canadian anthem changed? Did you know that? Yes, the Canadian anthem changed just last week. Wow. Our anthem used to start like this. O Canada, our home and native land, true patriot love in all thy sons command. But now, instead of all thy sons, it's all of us command. True patriot love in all of us command. Okay, look at that. The old one was like this. Okay, for a very long time, it was always like this. I grew up singing the anthem like this. True patriot love in all thy sons command. So why did they change it? Well, they changed it because sons means men, males, right? And all of us means men and women and any other gender that might exist, okay? So in Old English, these words here, man, mankind, sons, they meant people, okay? So all those words just meant people. They didn't mean men. Well, they could mean, man could mean a male, or it could mean people. A son could mean, a boy, or it could mean people. Now, why is this? Why was this? Well, there's something called the patriarchy. Patriarchy, okay? That basically means that men hold the power in society. Okay, so a lot of people in progressive countries like Canada or Australia, England, they don't like this idea of the patriarchy because that means men, well, basically this word means that men hold the power in society. Now, a lot of countries around the world have this system where men have the power, okay? But even here in Canada, even though Canada is a very progressive country, this idea is still very common in the minds of a lot of people. For example, you very often hear this, Mr. and Mrs. John Smith. Okay, these people are married. His name is John Smith. So they are called Mr. and Mrs. John Smith. Where's her name? Her name is nowhere here. We only have his name. Well, that's because in traditional or old-fashioned culture, her name didn't matter. Only his name mattered. Okay, that's why it's Mr. and Mrs. John Smith. Okay, so many old texts are being translated to be gender inclusive. Okay, the Canadian anthem is a very old text, so now they've updated it to be more gender inclusive. But I want to know, what do you think? Do you think old texts should be changed to be more gender inclusive? Let me know your thoughts down there in the comments, and I'll see you over in the next episode of Mad English TV. Take care.